This is an iPhone 7 Plus with a damaged screen and battery. Power off. Adjust the screen separation heating station to 80 degrees and warm the phone for 3 minutes. Take out the bottom screws. Lift the screen with the help of suction cup. Cooper opening card, then open the screen. Remove the shield plate. Lift up the screen flex and induction flex with a nylon pry bar. Then remove the screen. Unbolt screws and remove tape-deck engine. Remove the battery flex. Remove the battery sticker and the battery successively. Do it in sequence. Paste the battery sticker, install the battery and cable. Remove battery flex. Install the tape-deck engine and tighten the screws. Remove the spare parts of the damaged screen, and replace them with new screen. Unbolt home button screws of screen. Remove home button. Remove speaker shield plate, induction flex and speak. Unbolt plate screw and take plate out. Install each of these spare parts on the new screen in turn. If you are familiar with this process, you can skip to 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Finally, install the new screen to the iPhone. Check the battery capacity. Is the screen touch normal? Can the function of the front and rear cameras work normally? Does the speaker work well? All functions are normal, and the screen battery replacement work is completed perfectly. ElecWorld has a professional and strong technical team. Our parts are with perfect quality, competitive prices, and extremely fast delivery. We look forward to collaborating with repair shops, wholesalers, and refurbishment companies all over the world to help your business grow and profit. Please subscribe to our channel. We will continue to bring more updates.